Hi guys! Welcome back sa Nuna Game. Nandito po kami sa Pililla, Rizal. Ayan, nakuha namin kalahok ay si Kuya.
Berhel.
Ayan, si Kuya Berhel. Lalaruin natin high-low. Magbubuklat ako ng isang card. Tapos hulaan mo lang high or low. Meron tayong 5 rounds. Ayan ha. 6 of diamond. High or low?
Low.
Low. 4 of clubs. Low. High or low?
High.
High. Ano yan? King. King of spade. Okay, king of spade. High or low?
Low.
Low. Ayan, syempre naman. Ayan. 8 of clubs. 8 of clubs. Okay. Round 4. 8 of clubs.
Low.
Okay, low. Ayan, low. 2 of clubs. Last round. High or low?
Siyempre, high.
Oh, high. Two of diamonds. Ayan. Ayan. Nanalo si Kuya ng 80 pesos. O siya, any shoutout Kuya?
Shoutout nga pala doon sa mga taga Cadiz City, Negros Occidental. Follow nyo na din yung Bunker One Vlog.
Ayan, sa susunod na kalahok natin. Ayan na.